So there's a big movement in the front when you shake it. When you shake it like this, there's movement. When you shake the wheel like this, there's movement. This is what's making the noise and movement. And it's very loose. Guys, it's very, very important to install these grommets. If you don't install these grommets, your brake hose is gonna go bad. It's gonna rub through, and it's really, really bad. You really want to install these grommets. It's very, very important. Yeah, and I've seen the cases where the grommets were forgotten, or people just didn't care, and the brake hose just kept rubbing through. You know, because when you turn the wheel, this is the most important part, is to have this grommet to prevent rubbing through. These ABS sensors have never been out before. These still have thread locker. Just cleaning some more of the ABS sensors, this time the right front. It's never been out before. It's pretty dirty. And also the teeth are dirty too. So I'm cleaning those one by one. Changing some vacuum hoses now. These ones are old, these are new. Now after lubricating everything, all the linkages, it's moving so much nicer and easier. It's amazing. It's very hot. This cable is very hot. It was pinched right here. I don't know if that's causing it, but it's very hot. And this resistor shouldn't be really glowing this like that. Wondering why I'm wearing gloves while driving the car. Well, I'm used to it. Real mechanics wear gloves. That's how it is, right? Or am I wrong? Let's check the speedometer. Oh, baby. Speedometer is back to life. Let's see if the odometer is working. Okay. Calculate the angle, but the turning radius is amazing on these machines. Okay, let's go ahead and try this thing. Yeah, I don't see the odometer counting, so the gears are probably bad, stripped. Turn signal, man. Jeez. Half of the people in this country just don't use turn signals. Like it's non-existent. Alright, Chevy Traverse. Corolla, move! King is driving. Alright. Seeing the odometer count. It's okay. Let's go ahead. Car is all ready to go as of right now. The owner is about to pick it up. Still needs a few things here and there, but I just did a lot of work to it again. And then we'll see. I'll probably work on it again the third time when I have the rest of the parts.